Umaabot ako ng 100 eh,
Wow.
na container.
That's 1 week only?
Opo.
So, if 170,000 per container and you have 100 containers for 1 week, how much is that? 17 million?
Mga ganun po. Hindi ko po pera yun. Hindi ko po pera yun. Kumbaga,
Yeah, I know.
nagpa-process lang naman ako eh.
But that's how huge
Opo, ganun po yung pumapasok na
the
pera.
amount that Tara system generate.
Opo.
Only for you to be able to avail of this green lane. Tama po ba?
Opo.
And I wish to emphasize that here you are, you're just one person facilitating the release.
Yes, sir.
Eh, mga ilan ho ba yung nag-facilitate ng release?
Marami po kami.
In